Bro. Where are you at? Seattle is on. He's either at gate 4 or 2.
It's freaking lit, dude.
Dude.
AZ, baby. Dude, the palm trees though, dude.
Living the dream. Flugs, thoughts on Arizona so far? We just wheeled through edits at the Starbucks. Shout out to Starbs. Did you get stuff done?
A lot.
Yeah, same.
Emailed something really cool that has to stay confidential. And then another confidential thing.
Nice. It sounds awesome. Dope.
It only contains 2% juice. Sick. Ow.
Yeah?
Dude, actions speak louder than words. And I don't know, never mind. It's about like a 9.
No.
Yeah.
It's not
Like how cold it is.
Alright, we have about, oh, come on, it's the hard part about the Mark III. You have to focus. 59 minutes till we get to the place, I guess. Ready?
Yep.
We're going to Mexico. Not really, though. Am I on?
Yeah.
Alright, Forrest just called me. Apparently there's like zero camp. Dude, how close do you want to be? There's like zero camping out at where we were planning to go. So he's sending me a pin any moment now. What are you doing?
You're pointing to the...
He's sending me a pin and we're going back that way to camp in the Sonoran desert. Shout out to Sonora. Also, just to clear up any confusion, I'm not hiring Flugs. I got a lot of questions about Flugs being hired on because right when I kind of announced that, he also said he was coming to Arizona. Yeah.
Swag.
Hey. Shout out to Sonora. So we made it here, Sonoran Desert National Monument. It's closed to all motorized vehicles, and last time I checked, Walt is a motorized vehicle. All right, we have time to kill.
What should we do?
I'm gonna open up the laptop again. I think it's recording. Dude, it is hot. That's no excuse. I got bad news for you.
It's closed.
It's motorized vehicles. These are motorized.
What if we push them?
That's a good point. Hey, Quinn.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Hey, Abby.
Hey, Quinn. Hey, nice to meet you. And got hot.
Calling Natalie.
You have reached the voicemail box of...
Hey, Natalie. It's Andrew. I was just curious and wanted your knowledge on possible camp spots south of Phoenix. They're going to search for campable land around here. We're just chilling. Get it. Bro. Alright, let's see it.
Ooh, lefty.
Ichiro.
Woo, there she goes.
Yeah, like 4 feet.
You couldn't do that.
That's true. You couldn't either.
Yo, check this.
Yeah. You missed.
Wait.
All right. Ready to go. Nice.
Oh, it's squirting in my eye.
He's peeling a grapefruit right now and it's dripping everywhere.
Squirt. Oh. Alright, good enough.
You got it?
Fresh grapefruit.
It's from the tree, man.
I don't know if it's a grapefruit though.
Shout out to Natalie Allen for giving me the grapefruit.
Oh, it smells amazing. Taste test.
How is it?
There's seeds.
Yeah? Well, it's natural.
That's good. It's good.
Good.
Oh.
lighting is dope.
We're off pavement on the dirt now. We're going that way, I think. All right, well, first things first, I can't see crap out of my window. And this is our road right here, so I gotta scrub it myself. I hope that does the trick. It is a lot better. All right, we have located
Yikes, dude.
We've located the friends. They're center frame right there. Stoked, bro?
Dude, I can't talk. I miss the sun.
Yo, tell them the facts about Washington recently.
Oh, Washington has had in the last, how many
Since
months?
October.
Since October. So like in the last 2-3 months.
No, like the last 5 months.
Okay, the last 5 months, it's been sunny a total of like 60 hours. Like
3
3
days.
days. And I haven't had the sun blaring on my face in a long time.
And it feels great?
I'm just happy.
Yeah.
It's good.
Good. That's not them. I thought it was Quinn's camper, but it's some dude in like a little gator. I don't know where they are. The fence up there, I mean, it's public land, but it looks like they probably didn't go through because it's a lot of steps to put it back on, and I think they would have let us know and left it open if they went through, because it's like a lot to, yeah. But look at Walt, he looks sick. Alright, so sun's like 20 minutes, 30 minutes from setting. I'm gonna switch to the ADD. Alright, we're on the ADD now. Easier to vlog on. Alright, sun will set probably in like 20 to 30 minutes. This road is super dusty, so we're taking the drone out. Down to a drainage ditch here. Look at all that dust. Dude, I literally left you in the dust. Okay. I want to get a few iPhone shots with Walt. I'm trying to do more with the iPhone, so. Skirt. All right, go ahead. Yeah, flip it around. Whew. I don't exactly know how those ended up. Cool.
This is incredible, dude.
Yeah? You get some good stuff?
Blowing out my mind. Yeah.
You glad you're here and not Washington?
Yes. 100%.
I just like taste dust right now.
I know, I love it.
We're just casually driving here, and that's the freaking moon. This camera does it zero justice, but it is huge. Oh my god, that's insane. All right, let's get to camp. Sick.
Lights on.
Okay, because I see a vehicle coming my way.
We're not driving. You're like steeple saying.
Oh, I see you guys. I see you guys.
All right. We love you and miss you. Goodbye.
Love you, miss you. Bye. Oh, okay. This is the zone. Home sweet home. Hey guys.
Hey man. Hey
Come on in.
Dude, did you see the moon rise?
Yeah, we've been.
Dude. Hey.
Is that young Russ?
Young Russ.
How was your day?
Good.
I got a story about how we found this spot, but it was a tough
Forrest said
spot.
you guys were driving all day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we just
drove-
stopped.
The only, so we stopped
Did you
three
get a
times.
haircut?
And
Yeah, he did.
yeah, we stopped 3 times in Ajo just to try to find a state map. couldn't find one. Other than that, it's been driving. We drove all the way to the end of the Sonora.
And we go like 8-9 miles down the road, and there's like an open parking lot with like a delivery van in there with an American flag painted
It's
on
a
the
Wonder
side.
Bed or Wonder
Yeah,
Bread.
Wonder Bread truck.
W
And so
A N.
like we go in, and the road's just closed right beyond them. So we start turning around, and then like I see